Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 with a friend. Getting together with your buddies for some virtual skateboarding action is super easy and a ton of fun. We'll walk through connecting online, exploring the various game modes, and sharing some helpful tips to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable experience. Whether you want a free skate or compete, you'll be shredding with your friends in no time. To start playing with a friend, first ensure both of you have a stable internet connection. From the main menu, navigate to the online free skate option. Once there, you can easily send an invitation to your friend. They will receive a notification on their console and can accept it to join your game. It's a straightforward process that gets you into the action quickly, allowing for seamless multiplayer fun. Skate 3 offers several exciting multiplayer modes to enjoy with your friends. You can cruise around the city together in free skate, or challenge each other in deathmatch for trick battles. For team-based fun, try co-op challenges to complete objectives side by side. There's also party play, which features a variety of minigames for some lighthearted competition. Each mode provides a unique way to experience the game with your buddies. For the best multiplayer experience, make sure both players have the latest game updates installed. A stable, wired internet connection is always recommended to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. Clear communication with your friends is key, especially during cooperative challenges or competitive matches. Don't hesitate to experiment with all the different modes to discover which ones you and your friends enjoy the most for endless skateboarding adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.